nice. And now I think we can move to the phase 2 of the examination, that is starting with finance and management. How did you manage that? Coming from the science background, how were you able to manage that?
Yeah, actually, finance and management is, everyone says that start with finance management for the phase 2. So management was something completely new. But finance, I had a basic idea by the economy that I have studied in UPSC, just basics, nothing more, nothing less. So for finance and management also, I just referred EduTap actually, especially for phase 2, I should mention this because since we were left only with 18 days after the results came for the phase 2, I spent 1 day for English descriptive part just to see how the pattern is there, and 2 days for planning what to study actually, because I was left with only 15 days and I haven't even touched management section yet. So what I did was I calculated each and everything, from the video courses that EduTap offers, the summary notes, the concept notes. I calculated everything and saw that nothing was feasible to complete in those 15 days. Because I had to, glance through everything because I didn't expect to clear prelims this year. So after that, what I did was, the reason that I joined to EduTap was the mind maps, which were very attractive to me for the revision quotient actually. So that was the most feasible thing that I found, mind maps is something that will be my game changer, because, at the surface level, I'll just glance through everything. So I'll not leave out any topic, but I'll just study everything at the superficial level. So I, studied the mind maps for the finance actually. Since I was okay with the basics, I just go through the mind maps for the mains part. And for the management actually, I initially started to go through mind maps, but everything went over the head. So that's when I asked my brother to, understand, explain the concept of management. He's having public administration optional. So he was quite helpful in explaining those, like how these theories go into, how are these dealt with. So after getting, listening all of that, then I went to mind maps again. Then some things went into the head. So in mains also, I just stick to the notes.
Yes.
So after I just glanced to the mind maps for my mains part because of the only 15 days gap that we had. So finance and management completely I did from that, and for the current affairs I followed yours RBI finance in news, which was very much helpful actually. So for government schemes, those are the things which were not at the superficial level we can't see. It's just not something we can understand in one line. We need in-depth knowledge to answer the questions that are in news, like any of the schemes or any of the RBI's announcements or notifications. So that also I did from the 10 or 15 minutes videos that you do, for the finance and the schemes and the PIB news. So these were the things that I followed for the current affairs. I didn't refer any other stuff for current affairs also, just I followed the videos, that's it. So the finance and management was well and sufficient. I could answer most of the questions from what I've studied over there.
Okay. And as you said, like, can you tell me the total preparation months, like how many months you have put for the preparation for starting from the phase 1 till the end?
Yeah, actually, my initial preparation started back in February actually, but due to the job, I got lagged a bit. Then after the exam process itself, I have just prepared with the process. I didn't have 1 year or 2 years of preparation, but I have prepared along with the job, with the the gap that we get in the exam time itself. So that is possible by the content that I was very specific, which has helped me very much in the exam.